Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please don't forget to click the red button subscription and also the bell notification icon for more latest video. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut danchiki gown. So as you can see, I'm using Akara fabric for that. So as you are seeing this cloth, I folded it into two, and I'm also going to fold it into two again, making it into four. Why I'm folding it like this is that I want to cut both the front and back together. First of all, you can see my scissors, my chalk, my tape and my measurements. First of all, I will check my shoulder sleeve. I will start here. My shoulder sleeve is 16 plus this plus half for the sewing allowance. Another thing I'm going to measure is my length, the full length of the cloth. That is 41. I didn't include this upper part to my measurement, so I will cut it out. The next thing I'm going to do after measuring my length and shoulder sleeve is my round sleeve. My round sleeve is 13. 13 divided into 2 is 6.5. 6.5 plus 1 inch for the allowance. So you can see my round sleeve here. So after my round sleeve, I will come down by 2 inch and measure my bust. My bust measurement is 37. 37 into 2. First of all, divided it into 2. I get 18.5 into 2 again. I'm adding 3 inches. The next one is my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 32. 32 into 2, 16 into 2 again. That is 8. I will add 2.5. To get my hip measurement, I will come down by 8 and measure my hip. My hip measurement is 39. 39 into 2 again. Give me 19.5 divided by 2. Also add 3 inches. So in this place now, the nail round, I will just use waist measurement to get my nail round. So I get 8 for my waist. So I will add that 8 I get on my waist to this nail round and add it 4 inch. It won't be tight, rather it will be loose. Why I'm adding this excess like this is that the style will not be tight, it will be a little bit free for that person. So when I will shape it to get my normal measurement, I will add allowances for it so that the thing won't be tight on that person, it will be loose. That is how the style will be. So I will start to connect. I have connected my this round sleeve to my bust measurement, to my waist, to my hip, and to the nail round. So this is how it's going to be. To this neck, I will be using 3 for the width, and for the depth I will use 4. I will then cut it. As you can see, I'm about to cut the neck. I've already marked it. I use 3 for the width. I use 3.5 for the neck. I use 4 inches to get the depth. I use 3 for the wideness, that is the width. As you can see now, this is my danchiki short gown. Are you seeing it now? I do the neck so that the neck and the front will be equal, like this, as you can see. So the person does not want it to go high, the neck of the back to go high. That is why I do it the same with the back. Very simple and nice. And the front one will have a little slit. let me slit it a little. I will use like 4 inches for the slit. So guys, after that, I will cut exactly what I cut on this fabric to this lining. I will use this lining and turn it up. Guys, this is all about danchiki gown. So you can also try it on your own. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the bell notification icon for more latest video. See you next time guys. Love you all.